Hey guys, welcome back to Recipes with Ryan, and today I thought I'd do something different. I'm so excited for this video. So basically, I had this idea. It's not important how I got it, but I decided, wouldn't it be interesting if I fried various reeds to see what happened? So here I have a pan with some sunflower oil, a box of clarinet reeds, 2 oboe reeds, and 2 bassoon reeds. Thanks to Hannah Addenbrook for the bassoon reeds. I hope this video is good enough for you. And thanks to Anna Leddingham for the clarinet reeds. And yeah, I'm going to fry one of each in like a different method. So I'm going to do one in oil and then heat up the oil, and then I'm going to put the other one straight into the hot oil, and if it goes well I might even batter some clarinet reeds and fry them, which will be pretty cool. But I can't do it with those because I only have 2 of them and I have like 11 of these because an extra one was in the box for some reason. So yeah, let's get into it. So first off I'm going to do the clarinet ones because, you know, if something goes wrong, that's not the end of the world because I have loads. Jesus, these are hard to open. I've got this fork to turn them over with so they get like a nice even colour. Well, I'm going to turn that off until I've got this out so it's like a fair test. I'm going to put one of each in at the same time and then heat the oil and then put the other ones in and just sort of see what happens. So let's get another clarinet one out. I love how they come in little packages, it's so cute. Honestly, some people are strange, right? They've got the little logo on and everything. I feel dead bad for using these because they seem quite expensive, but apparently she had no use for them. So yeah, and they're brand new. The other ones aren't brand new, they are unwanted. These don't work anymore. I'm assuming these don't work anymore. One of them's mouldy because some people can't look after their reeds, but let's not get into that right now. It's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna put one of each in. This is apparently a Christmas reed, so I'm gonna put that one in first. I'm gonna put these are the same, I don't care, so are these. And then yeah, gonna turn it on and I'm gonna see what happens. What I'm thinking is going to happen is the clarinet reed is going to go sort of just a bit browner. I don't know what's going to happen to these because they have like strange components, like, you know, corks and metal and all sorts. But hopefully it'll be interesting. I can see some bubbles appearing already. They're hot already when I touch them. So how's this going? Oh, it's starting to like disintegrate at the top. I think they'll all do that because they're dead like fragile and all scrapey and stuff. Oh, no colour yet. They are starting to sort of fizz around though. And this, I'm assuming it was coated with something strange because it's sort of putting this like white coating on the pan. That is nice and brown on one side. I think the cork has split down the middle. There's a like very defined crack down the middle, and the thread is like, it's going a funny colour. They actually smell very nice. This has gone brown now, so let's see the other side. It's definitely got some weird substance on it. Now what about this? I feel like it's gonna take longer because it's bigger. Can't even flip it, hang on. Yeah, it's gone nice and brown. The thread's gone all bubbly. I don't know what I expected to happen with the wire, but nothing has happened so far. I don't know what the wire's actually called, don't kill me. Oh, now it's smoking, really weird. A massive puff of smoke just came out the bassoon one. Oh my god, wow. Oh Jesus, it's smoking a lot. Hang on. Oh shoot, it's burning. Oh no. Right. Oh my god, wow. So, that one's gone rather black. Oh, I need something to put them on. See, that's got some burnt bits on the thread. It's got a very brown colour. I'm taking it out because it was genuinely like catching fire. But it's gone very brown. This clarinet reed, I think it's gone a bit past its sort of point of being a nice colour. It's gone sort of like burnt. And the oboe reed, oh my goodness, wow. It's like, on one side it's sort of like dark brown, and on the other side it's gone completely black. The cork is like warped and it's gone all bubbly and it's very cracked, and the reed is a very concerning colour. And now I'm going to put them straight into the hot oil to see if it makes any difference. Oh, there it goes. They are browning really fast right now, like that. These are already like practically done. Yeah, no, that's done. That's gone so black. And the other side is sort of... Can I flip that? The other side is sort of like a golden colour. The oboe reed, ow. Yeah, it's gone sort of burnt and beautiful. The bassoon reed, wow. The thread on both the oboe reed and the bassoon reed has sort of gunged up into this sort of nasty, sort of sticky mess, and it's coming off on my fork and it looks really gross. Ow! That's horrible. And also on this plate where I've put them, the green like pigment from the thread has sort of leaked out, and this is really gross. I hope this washes off, because like, yikes. Now I'm going to turn this pan off. It might have been wrecked. If so, I'm sorry to my parents for ruining their pan. It's got like the green pigment in it. It's got a burnt bit of like thread in the middle. This is really interesting. Right, I'm going to turn it off because it's smoking. So yeah, and now I'm gonna maybe batter the clarinet reeds, and then I'll get back to you. So now I've rinsed the pan out and I've prepared some milk and flour. I'm using milk, not eggs, because firstly I wasn't really ready to use like a whole egg, like that's a commitment. Also, the only eggs in my house are from the chickens of a clarinet player who didn't agree with my experimental method and this whole experiment in general, so I think it would be a bit rude to use them for it. Because I didn't use her reeds, by the way. I wouldn't use her reeds. Well, I would if she'd let me, but she didn't. I don't have any saxophone ones either, because my friend who plays the saxophone didn't want to give me any. I love you, Rebecca. That wasn't meant to be mean. Sorry, happy birthday. So I'm just dipping it in the milk. Hopefully this sticks. I don't actually know if you can use milk for this, but you probably can. And then the flour. Oh yes. Then the milk. And the flour. And the milk. What am I doing? Then the flour. Oh, that's grim. Let me just go wash my hands. I'm hoping this one isn't going to make as much smoke, because I had to open like all the windows in my house after the other one and it's absolutely freezing. So yeah, here we go. Move that out of the way. I'll wait until this gets hot so it does a proper like deep fry thing. I'm not allowed to use the deep fryer because it uses too much oil, and then there's loads of oil left over that we don't know what to do with. But yeah. This is making my eyes sting. That's probably not a good sign. But I'm going to carry on for science. If I die due to this, then that's not a great way to die. But you know what? I'll take it. In the name of science. Jesus. What the hell? Okay. Ah! That's scary. Stop doing that, please. Stop doing that! Oh my god, I'm terrified. Oh, it's not even going golden or anything. Please stop doing that. Okay, it's calmed down a bit. Jesus. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Yes, lovely. I'm going to give this to my sister and pretend it's a cheese stick. I'm not actually going to do that. That's a very bad idea. Oh, forgot about that. Oh yes, look at that lovely colour. Look at that. That's good cooking. I appreciate that. Even if it's not supposed to be cooked and is supposed to be used to play the clarinet. No offence, but I think it's a better use of it to use it to cook than to use it to play the clarinet with. There we go. That's beautiful. Good enough to eat, except I'm not going to eat it because I don't want to get splinters all up in my throat and my esophagus and all that. And yeah, I think that's it. So this was a bit of a different video, I'm not gonna lie. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I won't enjoy cleaning this because it smells disgusting. And there's loads of smoke coming off it, so hopefully I don't like die of carbon monoxide poisoning. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which is hopefully going to be more normal. Bye! Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because I live for the views. Goodbye.